love how you eat the bubbles. Let's have a race.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of
What?
my bubbles.
Wait! I'm so excited. Ready? 1, 2. I win.
I won.
No, dude. No.
Okay, first one to make those overflow. Okay.
What the shit? You lost. Run. Look, you have more left.
No.
I saw it. You just made the rules.
Oh my god. Ah. This just didn't work.
It's an awful experience.
I hated that.
You can't do it with like no milk.
No, you can't. You need substance.
No.
Put the straw just above the milk and suck.
It's like a vacuum.
It's really creepy right there.
Jordan's the only one who's noticed.
What?
Oh!